Hello, I will to briefly introduce the priorities that the Commission considers important for the development of the BGC Argo initiative. I'm Fabienne Jacques, Policy Officer, acting as national contact point for the G7 members in replacement of Nicolas Zeguet, that could not join, unfortunately. So, the Commission is strongly committed in favor of the ocean. We have many actions and policies developed in Europe. Will it be in terms of sustainably exploiting marine resources or protecting and restoring our ocean patrimony? This is all included in what we call the Green Deal priorities promoted by the von der Leyen Commission and the future EU overarching mission for ocean, seas and inland waters, which will be a research initiative, major research initiative. The Commission acts at political level within the frame of the international ocean governance in different sectors of activities like pollution, fisheries, blue economy, climate change or maritime security, sharing its values and best practices with international countries, regional sea conventions. The Commission is also very active to foster science excellence and knowledge, and I would like to take two examples. The first one is the agreements that were signed in Galway and then in Belaine to establish the All-Atlantic Research Alliance, and also the engagement of the Commission in the G7 Future of the Seas and Ocean Initiative and the EU for Ocean Ops project that has been established really to foster the collection and the share of ocean observation worldwide with our partners in USA, in Australia, but also in the Arctic, in the Atlantic or in the Africa. Coming back to science and technological priorities, ocean observation are mandatory. If we want to develop science and knowledge-based policies, we cannot run ocean models to forecast ocean currents or climate predictions published in IPCC, such as sea level rise, if we don't have ocean observation. And this is critical to develop resilience to climate change. Huge success has been reached already internationally thanks to GOOS, and especially developing programs such as Argo. Satellite observation are now available since 2 decades, and it has been reinforced and sustained with the Copernicus program. They are working together. If physics was first, now the priority is really to reach the same level of operationality and sustainability to better understand the biogeochemistry of the ocean. We cannot support new food solutions like sustainable aquaculture, contributing to reducing poverty without knowing more in terms of water quality. When we want to significantly reduce anthropogenic pressures, such as nitrates coming from fertilizer, contributing to eutrophication, biochemistry and BGC Argo are key to monitor the ocean health and assess this kind of pollution and others. It's as well critical to observe and then model the blue carbon pump, which represents 25% of the total carbon sink. The Copernicus program will launch around 2025 to 2026 a CO2 mission to quantify emission of CO2 to follow the implementation of the Paris Agreement, and in situ data are really critical for this mission. Lastly, I would like to raise the urgency to study and learn more on marine ecosystem behavior. Marine ecosystem, live ecosystem, are both our world heritage, like turtles and whales, but this is also the food of our future. When the Convention on Biodiversity is of utmost importance, when we have negotiation taking place to protect ICES as well, we definitely to start collecting BGC information over the globe for validation and assimilation into models. Hyperspectral satellite will be launched by Copernicus in coming years. We have precursors already, so we have a law in place already. So I would like many, advocate for scaling up BGC Argo as much as possible and as soon as possible. The Commission is currently working on a communication on ocean observation by the end of this year and will take part of this work. Thank you. I would like really to wish you a successful and inspiring conference because biochemistry is really important. Thank you and have a good meeting. Hello. I will like to briefly introduce the priorities that the Commission considers important for the development of the BGC Argo initiative.